not 6 walks on a Wednesday. Come on, hump day. One moment you have a wish, and then the next moment you're mapping out the plan on how to get the wish. And then you start doing the plan, and the next time you look up, the wish is your reality. Welcome back to Creating the Vision. This is week 5 check-in of creating the vision for me, and this week I must say a round of applause. I shocked myself with this weekend. I turned it up a notch because I felt like it was time to turn it up a notch, and this was just a really great week. As of this morning, and this morning is October 26th, 2024, and I am officially 10.4 pounds down since September 17th, 2024. So it's been about 30-ish days. We're 10.4 pounds down because of a wish that I had, a plan that I created, and the action that I put in, and now things are picking up. So I want you all to see what a day of creating the vision looks like for me. Y'all just gonna see what my Wednesday of this week look like. So follow me along for hump day and what hump day look like for me, and how I get all of my steps, my movement, and how I prioritize things. And yeah, just keep on watching, because things are happening and the magic is starting to happen, and creation is forming, and the vision is coming to life, because the things that you wish for are available for you if you can map out your plan and do it. This is 6:30 hour. I'm on walk number 1. I get to see the skylights or the skyline of Chicago. Here I am getting these steps in, starting off early. This is walk 1 of 4. The last one is on my treadmill. So I'm just walking, enjoying the breeze because it feels good outside. And basically this is my coffee so that I can get up and start working for these people that cares nothing about me. So on a mini walk, 15 minutes instead of a 30, should be able to get at least like 1,500 steps, and then back to work. And stairs. Round 3. This is an official lunch walk, 30 minutes. I'll do all the math later on, but I'm on walk 3. I have 1, 2, 3 more walks. So not 6 walks on a Wednesday. Come on, hump day. So yeah. I'm on walk 3. I had a Mediterranean salad for lunch, and it was pretty fulfilling. The stomach's tight, so by the time I get back to work, it shouldn't feel tight anymore, right? Is that the math? I don't know, but round 3, it's 12:50. Yeah, 12:50. I should be at least at 5,000 steps right now. When I'm done, I should be at like 7 something. In here, walking down these streets, not lacking. Listening to 21 Savage. Goodbye. Catch y'all on walk 4. Finished. Officially made it to the end of the workday. I'm on walk number 4. Yeah, I said 6, but it's gonna be 5 today. So I made some tuna last night just so that when I come home, I don't have to make like a after work lunch. I can just eat the tuna. So I ate the tuna and I showed y'all to back up the box because 12 crackers is 120 calories. So I ate 12 scoops of tuna. So now I'm about to do Pilates and grow with Joe, and then I'll be done. I'm gonna hit up Nicole so that we can get this started.
Pilates class for beginners. Then exhale, close your ribs in and down towards your hips. Then release your left hand to the floor and stretch your right arm over. Turning your chest up towards the sky. Then
round 2.
Alright, so we're just going to start. I know some of us, we get technic. Next, we are going to push our forearms together and we're going to kick back, opening up our hips, our 5 press. Bring them down, raise them up to the side. I want you to think about your breathing while you do this. I want you to think. The Grower community all together are discovering the power of strength and deep core exercises this month.
Complete.
Make sure
it's like 7:15. I'm done. I'm done. So that is a morning walk, a 15-minute walk, 30-minute lunch walk, 40-minute after work walk, Pilates. I don't have my other hand, and then low impact cardio. I'm about to eat dinner, hum, hum, hum. And then I'm going to get on my walking pad for 10 minutes to help with digestions and so that I don't get the itis and want to lay down. I'm gonna walk. And then I'm done. So that is a day of creating the vision for me. And then I'm gonna end the night with reading my book. I'll show you guys that in the next clip. So, and I gotta pack my lunch, so let's. So yes, that is what a normal day, a normal work day looks like for me for creating the vision, and how I put in and place in all of my steps and my movement for the day. And I'm very excited that I'm actually utilizing all of the time that I have within my 24 hours or however long I'm up. I'm very proud of myself for doing the things and making sacrifices of my time, because listen, as a hardworking lady, and also as a Taurus that gets deemed as being lazy, but we're just hardworking and we work hard and we rest hard. I like to rest hard even on my breaks, but I'm using my breaks now for more movement, and I'm just excited for this journey, because once you start seeing that it's working, it's like, oh, I'm about to turn it up a notch. Not you're working, say less. I'm about to make it work ×2. So I'm getting in as many steps as I can, and just seeing the numbers increase and increase on my step count is just, it's where it's at, and that's what I'm talking about. So yes, I am going to continue creating the vision for me. I encourage you all to map out the vision that you have for your life and create it as well. Wish, plan, do, dream, and get the things that you want in your life. And I wanted to show you all the new book that I started, because I did complete The Mastery of Love, and now I am reading this book. It is so many wonderful things that we all want to do within our own lives, but fear can hold us back. So I am just learning what this author has to say about fear, and getting through a storm, and fear can really hold us back from so much, and it can hold me back from creating this vision that I see for myself, but I am working through those things. So each week, each day, every moment, I'm learning something new that can help me along on my journey, and it's just getting good. And I encourage you all to continue to follow along this journey with me, because this is literally just the tip of the iceberg. It's about to get real good up in here. So this is me checking out of creating the vision, and I also encourage you all to subscribe and like and check out the other series on the Double Team channel, and also check out Double Talk podcast. We're doing big things over here. Okay, we have big plans. So check us out, follow along, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. You all enjoy the rest of your day and figure out what it is that you want in life. Figure out how to get it, do it, and get it. Period.